In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Dropbox file request feature, an incredibly handy tool for gathering files from others, even if they don't have a Dropbox account. This feature lets you easily request files from anyone, and those files will neatly appear in a folder you specify within your Dropbox. Even though the person uploading the files doesn't need a Dropbox account, you'll be the only one who has access to view the folder and its contents unless you decide to share it yourself. Furthermore, the privacy of each contributor is protected because uploaders cannot see what others have submitted. It's a neat, convenient way to manage file gathering for a range of purposes. Now, file request sizes vary based on your Dropbox plan. If you're using Basic, Plus, or Family accounts, you're looking at a 2 GB limit per request. Meanwhile, those with professional or business plans can handle much larger requests, up to 250 GB per submission in some scenarios, offering great flexibility depending on your needs. Let's jump into how you can create a file request. To start, sign into your Dropbox account at dropbox.com. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and click File Requests. From there, select New Request to get started. You'll be prompted to fill out some information, beginning with a title for your request, such as Upload Your Images. There's also an option to add a description, which can provide further clarity about exactly what you're requesting. When it comes to storing these files, you'll notice a default folder location set, but you can easily change it by clicking Change Folder if you have another location in mind. For plans that offer additional options, you can set a deadline for when uploads need to be completed, and even allow late uploads if you choose. If security is a priority, consider adding a password to your request. Once you've configured these settings to your liking, go ahead and click Create. Now you're ready to share this request. You have two options. Directly enter email addresses of the people from whom you want to receive files, and Dropbox will handle sending the invites. Or alternatively, you can copy a link to the request and share it through your preferred method, whether that be email, chat, or another avenue. Be assured that you'll receive a confirmation email and notifications whenever files are uploaded, keeping you in the loop at all times. If you're on the receiving end of a file request, the process is simple, even if you don't have a Dropbox account. Use the link or email to access the request. Click Add Files, and choose what you want to upload from your device or, if applicable, your own Dropbox. Sometimes, you might be prompted to enter your name and email so the requester knows who has submitted the files. Once everything is ready, simply hit Upload. As the requester, rest easy knowing all the files land safely in the folder you set up, streamlining the file collection process.